So the writer described what is the condition of living condition of these bangle makers. They are very much poor. They don't have a roof on their head, and they have not eaten the full meal of a day. So she was just giving the advice to the people, those who are living there, that why are you not form a group and you have to be do the agitation against these people, those who are exploiting you. So they told their problems also to the writer. Hearing him, one wonderful wonders if he has achieved uh, what many have failed in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head, a cry for not having money to do anything except carry on the business of making bangles, not even through though to eat rings in every home. The young man echoes the lament and their elders. Little has to move with time. It seems in the Firozabad, years of mind-numbing toil have killed all the initiatives and the liability of the dream. Why not organize yourself into a cooperative? I ask a group of a young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their father and their forefather. So writer wants to say that people was living there in a bad condition, and then she advised the people that you have to be organized themselves and come out from the trap of these middlemen. So they saw that he said that even if we got organized, we are the one who will be hauled up to the police, beaten and dragged to the jail for doing something illegal. um, So writer wants to say that if they are make a corporation or cooperative, then even also the police was just beating them, and they charged them with the illegal things, and they said there is no leader among them, no one who could help them seeing things differently. Their father aren't tired as they are. They talked endlessly in the spiral that moved from the poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. So they are saying they are habit of feeling this injustice and the poverty. Listening to them, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in a web of poverty burdened by the stigma of caste in which they are born. The other vicious circle of the sahukar, the middleman, policeman, the keepers of the law, the bureaucrats and the politician. Together they have imposed the baggage on the child that is cannot put down. Before he is aware, he accepted it as naturally as his father. To do anything else would mean to dare, and daring is not part of his growing up. So writer is saying, I can understand the problem of these people, and I want to say that the sahukar, the policeman, the politician, they are exploiting them. They are the maker of the law. They have to follow these things, and they have to make a life of happy, try to make their life happy, try to make their they come out from the vicious circle, stop their exploitation, but the people are also giving the help to the sahukar, those who are exploiting the bangle maker. So he wants to say that naturally, and after some time, what happened when the young child was thinking about all that, thought has come in mind. Before that, he will understand that I have to, this is my destiny, I have to work like my father. And he was just start doing the work and impose all the credit that is taken by his parents also. To do anything else would mean to dare, and daring is not part growing up. When I sense of a flash of it, Mukesh, I am cheered. So I thought whatever the Mukesh thought about himself that he would become out from this vicious circle. So it is right. I want to be the motor mechanic, he repeats. So that is why he thought about the words saying by the Mukesh that I want to become a motor mechanic. He will go to the garage and learn, but the garage is long away from his home. I will walk, he instinct. Do you also dream of the flying the planet? He is suddenly silent. No, he says, staring at the ground. In his small murmur, there is an embarrassment that has not yet turned into the regret. He is contented to dream of car that he sees hurtling down the street of his town. Few aeroplanes fly over the Firozabad. Actually, writer gave him the good option that if you want to do big in your life, you have to be go through the big things. But the writer said that, but the Mukesh said that I know what are my limitations. My limitations are that I have to be a motor mechanic or to drive the car, and I want to become that. So he said that few aeroplanes fly over the Firozabad. Some of them have changed their life, but I am not from that. So these two stories are of the children, those who are exploited by the society. So we have to stop all these things and make their life happy and